Hello guys, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga. Today in this video, I will talk about the personal loan, the best personal loan in United Arab Emirates for the 2021. What is the personal loan actually? The personal loan are the unsecured loan. To obtain them, you do not require the collateral or any guarantors. In the United Arab Emirates, the bank provides the personal loan to the Emirati and UAE residents. You are the foreigner, but you have the residency visa, can apply for the personal loan in the UAE. The personal finance or the loan you can utilize for wedding, higher education, international trip, starting a new business, even the debt consolidation. The personal loan interest rate in the UAE. Okay, now let's talk about the interest rate. There are the two types of interest rate the UAE bank provide to the customer. One flat interest rate and the another is reducing interest rate. First of all, let's talk about the flat interest rate. The interest does not reduce although you pay the installment. Suppose you have taken a loan from the bank 50,000 dirham. Your interest rate is 5%. You should pay the 2,500 per year as an interest. And the another is reducing interest rate. When you pay the installments, some money goes to the interest and some money reduce the principal. Every time you repay the loan, the amount of borrowing or the principal reduce, right? You have to pay the interest of the remaining principal, not the whole amount of money you borrow from the bank. Now let's talk about the best personal loan in the UAE for 2021. Number 1, ADCB Personal Loan. Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Personal Loan. The interest rate flat is 4.75%, reducing interest rate is 8.86%, and minimum salary required for this loan is 5,000, salary transfer mandatory. Number 2, RAKBANK Personal Loan. The interest rate flat is 3.99%, reducing interest rate 5.99%, and minimum salary is 3,000, salary transfer is mandatory. Number 3, Dubai Islamic Bank Personal Loan. Interest rate flat is 6%, reducing interest rate is 11%, and minimum salary is 3,000. Salary transfer is mandatory. Number 4, Emirates NBD Personal Loans without salary transfer. Interest rate flat is 8.39%, and reducing interest rate is 14.99%, and the minimum salary is 10,000. Salary transfer is not required. Number 5, FAB Personal Loan or the First Arab Bank Personal Loan. Interest rate flat is 4.99%, reducing interest rate is 9.29%, and minimum salary is 7,000. Salary transfer is mandatory. Number 6, ADIB Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank Personal Loan. Interest rate flat for expat is 4.82% and UAE national is 4.27%. Reducing interest rate, expat is 8.74% and the UAE national 7.75%. Minimum salary is 8,000 and salary transfer is mandatory. Number 7, Mashreq Bank Personal Loan for the expatriate. The flat interest rate is 6.49%, reducing interest rate is 9.29%, and minimum salary is 7,000. Salary transfer is mandatory. Number 8, Noor Bank Personal Loan. Interest rate flat is 3.33%, and reducing interest rate is 6.29%. Minimum salary is 8,000, and salary transfer is mandatory. Number 9, Deem Finance Personal Loan. Interest rate flat is 7.72%. Reducing interest rate is 14% and the minimum salary is 5,000. Salary transfer is mandatory. Number 10, Finance House Personal Loan. Interest rate flat is 5.45%. Reducing interest rate is 9.99% and minimum salary is 8,000. Salary transfer is not mandatory. Please note that the interest rate can be changed because the bank always changes the interest rate and it can be different from this video. However, these are the banks which provide the best personal finance to the foreign national as well as UAE national. If you want to get more information about this video, you can visit our website. To get a personal loan in the UAE, you are not required to provide any collateral for the security, just like your home, land, and any guarantors. But there are some requirements from the UAE bank. If you meet that criteria, you can get loans in the UAE. It is no doubt. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you think this video is very helpful for you, for your friend and family members, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video to make this video available for many people. See you. Bye.